Mga medyo hindi sila ganun ka-potent when it comes to blocking. Subukin natin basagin ng basagin.
Totoo.
So Letran with the first set right here, courtesy of Nat Estrella. Guhol with an underhand setup job papunta rito kay Frian Garcia with a loaded hit.
Garcia targeting that cross court. Isa lang din ang sumabay na blocker ng Letran.
Trixie Guhol on the service area. Their setter, talking about the Lady Cardinals. Good first ball. Makilang, one of the clean hits that she has gotten. Few and far in between. Sa kabila naman, Raisa Rica Blanca. Kanina pa namumuhunan dyan sa kanang bahagi ng ating Taraflex. Komportable siya dyan.
Meron na siyang 7 points.
Sunod. Ganado. Kasi if you're a left-handed hitter, that would be an easy cross-court hit sa'yo. Yun yung buwelo mo diba?
Totoo.
So on the opposite side, naku, nagpapatong-patong pa dito ang mga points of concern ng
Medyo
Letran.
nagsiscramble na yung Letran. That was a poor execution sa set ni Estrella. Siguro factor din talaga na hindi pa rin sila nakakuha ng magandang first ball.
And Lara Silva has been doing a terrific job right there ngayon on the back end. It's up to Nat Estrella to really set this attack up. And Makilang trying to go for that power tip. Garcia, not over yung palo.
You see yung Letran na to, Coach Hammer. Again, may free ball ulit na binigay si Mapua sa kanila. Yung poor first ball, hindi nila nabigay kay Estrella. Kaya hindi sila nakapag-execute ng magandang play. Kasi dapat meron silang patong eh.
So, if it's not going to Lara Silva, nagkakaroon talaga sila ng problema. But on that tip, and that's net contact. So, Rica Blanca getting called for that error. The point goes to the Lady Knights. So, right here, ever so slightly.
Yes.
Di naman sadya.
Sinubukan lang.
Huli pero hindi kulong.
Kung katawagan.
Yan. Pero ito, error, malinaw na malinaw. And Gia Makilang hasn't really gotten her groove yet dito sa larong ito. Parang paambon-ambon yung dating ng mga atake, pero yung volume ng mga atake, nakukuha naman nila.
Madami. Pero yung efficiency, medyo kulang pa.
Yan yung importante. So Rica Blanca, popped up by Silva. Estrella on the back set. Getting that tip again was Netura. Estrella popping it up. Silva on the underhand setup job.
Good block by Nicole.
One of the best when it comes to blocking. He's awarded one of the best middle blockers in season 97. Had an off year last year, but now getting back in business. And ito pa ulit-ulit kong sinasabi kasi ito yung nanonotice ko eh. Sobrang kondisyon ng Cardinals yun, ng Lady Cardinals.
Yeah, sabi mo nga, Coach Hammer kanina.
A lot of them lost a lot of weight. And it shows him. Springy sila umatake. And Rica Blanca, seconding that motion, nagpakita agad ng paano. Pero nakikita, I mean, Roxy De La Cruz lost weight, Nicole Ong lost weight. And then their game is amplified dahil lesser effort needed to do the tasks that they're asked to do.
Actually, mas aggressive nga si Mapua kaysa kay Letran ngayong game na to.
But attack error here by Roxy De La Cruz. Medyo OA, hindi siya nonchalant on that attack. So I'm learning,
Mga
Nika.
Gen Z terms.
I have a daughter eh. So magkasama kami, ano ba yan? Maturuan mo nga si dad ng konti.
Ay, ang cute.
You have to adjust with the time.
I know.
And talking about adjustments, kailangan dito ng Letran to really get their adjustments on dahil with that hit, you saw that adjustment by Roxy De La Cruz. Konting hang time, kakargahan, pero again, that unorthodox hitting action. Nakita mo, di ba? Parang
yung placement lang din talaga yung ginagawa niya. Very easy and madaling makakuha rin ng point.
And that's one thing that she improved this year. Kasi last year, karga kung karga eh.
Palo kung palo.
Oo. Ako yung napapagod last year nung pinanonood ko si Roxy, pero now, showing the maturity of her game. And, again, adjustment naman. Sa kabila, Judel Ventura having a better season now than her freshman year with the Lady Knights. Getting that tip.
Alam niya na malayo yung kanyang defender doon.
And how about this? Etong magkakapatid na to, yung Netura. They have a very athletic brother, as we see an attack again by Rica Blanca, who is now one of the better basketball players. A younger sister who is one of the top recruits growing up in college, and then hers. Aming pagbabalik, Diana Igual will give us an update regarding both squads. Diyan lamang po kayo.
BBL. Tapos I also hosted a show called Upfront. It's a lifestyle show for athletes. And then went on to do different gigs, non-sports gigs as well on television. Currently on 24 Horas right now. Game Changer. We also feature athletes and different activities there. So, yun. And now, here with GMA Synergy with the NCAA and on Game On. Okay.
Back to the ball game in the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament, where today's matchup features two unique players, that is Raisa Ricablanca of Mapua, who's left-handed, and Gia Makilang, who can switch it up, either his right or left-handed hits. Coach Hammer and Mika, this is a unique dynamic that you don't always get to see in every team. Nang makausap ko nga ang dalawa, they both agreed that this works as an advantage to them because it makes it harder para sa kanilang kalaban na mabasa ang kanilang mga galawan. However, both also agree that with this, it also emphasizes the need for precise communication, especially between the spiker and setter combo. What do you think about this, Coach Hammer and Mika?
Maraming salamat, Diana. Nan ka o wakali? Pili ka na lang, Repo Pips, kung saan mo papaluin. Talking about these attackers. Pero ikaw, Mika, you're a middle attacker. Was it a part of your game to work on that ambidexterity, especially on the quicks?
Yes, of course. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng isa lang yung target na alam mo kasi binabantayan din tayo ng ating mga kalaban. So alam nila, kinakabisado nila kung saan ka comfortable, kung ano yung mga angle na gustong-gusto mong hinahanap.
At yung paghahanap ng anggulo, yung wakaling palo ni Raisa Ricablanca, nagbigay na sa kanya ng 10 puntos dito sa ating laro. Napatay mo dito si Coach O. Pakinggan natin.
Now, bakit sa kanya hindi umaabot? Pag sa dalawa, lumalakpas. Okay, so sistema muna, yun muna. Fundamentals muna. You are so furious na makapuntos. No, you have to follow. Now, out of system, bakit maabutin yung pinakamataas? Hayaan mo ng area mo, may depensa tayo sa dalawang side. Okay, one. Let's get one first. Let's get one first. Don't, huwag niya isipin yung result. Get one first.
Sabi nga ni Coach O, wag nyo munang isipin yung result. Kasi siguro hindi sila nakakapag-execute ng proper plays, hindi sila nakakasunod sa sistema na gusto ni Coach O, hindi sila nakakagalaw ng maayos.
Kumbaga sa dialect, parehas kayo ng dialect nito ni Coach O dahil aral din to kay Coach Ramil.
Yes.
So si Coach O matagal na and process-oriented eh. And we had a fun time talking with Coach O in our podcast sa Game On, and he was really about that process of doing the little things. Gawin mo muna ng tama, and then it would build up to better things. Ako, di ko naging si Coach Ramil. Ikaw lang yung makakapagsalita dyan, Nix, na pareha sila process-oriented, and especially for a new team na ngayon lang to madadaanan. Again, yun, kumuha ka lang ng isa. They got a good free ball, getting into the groove of their attack, Estrelier, putting it where Angel Desma can fabricate something, and they got the point.
And sabi nga rin ni Coach O kailangan talaga sumusunod muna sila sa sistema kasi wala namang shortcut sa ganyan.
Oo, totoo.
Hindi naman puntos agad eh. Kailangan mag-serve muna kayo, pumasa muna kayo. Diba? Yung patience, siguro ay hindi nyo nagkukulang.
Oo, pasensya tsaka disiplina. Yan yung titignan natin. And Roxy De La Cruz and Raisa Ricablanca providing a lot of fireworks here. 9 points for Roxy De La Cruz. Oh, 8 points. 7 on attacks. 1 ace for Roxy. Tapang.
Ayan na si Tapang.
Tapang talaga. Tapang talaga. Tsaka 1 gear lang itong si Lea Tapang. Alanganin pagka pumapalo siya ng placement ball. Pero pagkakargadong palo, ay, kailangan ready ka.
Ready ang blockers, ready ang depensa.
Kapag medyo didig ka dun sa dulo, kailangan... Oo. O, error dito. Yun nga lang. Maganda na sana yung dalawang sunod na pulos.
Nakakakuha na sila ulit ng momentum, nakapag-execute na ng play, but then again, sila ulit yung pumutol ng kanilang momentum.
Napakahirap niyan, lalong-lalo na para kay Coach O na gustong-gustong makakuha ng magandang buwelo dito sa set na to.
And this is the right time.
Oh, nag-hesitate si Nicole Ong doon. Tapang. Nandoon na naman.
Actually, Coach Hammer, sa set ni Bohol kay Ong doon, tingin ko parang double jump na quick siya eh. I think hindi lang nila na-execute properly, but let's see kung susubukan ulit nila ito.
And I would always defer to you when it comes to middle attacks and in volleyball, Mika. So, point dito para sa Letran. And good save here.
Good drive by Garcia.
And an ace here for the Lady Knights of Letran. Might be the start of something.
Yes, nagkakarga na sila ng service dito.
Oo. Kasi kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? Yan ang itatanong
Ayun
natin.
ang itatanong ni Coach
Oo.
O.
Ayan, back to back pa. Kumbaga sa pusoy, para alas yung binitawan dito.
2 service aces by Estrelier.
And a good serve there by Nat Estrelier on back-to-back possessions. At tingnan natin kung tatatlo. If she would go for the hat trick. Pero Garcia
That was outside.
outside. 3 straight points here for the Lady Knights. A 4-0 run rather para sa Lady Knights. Timeout dito si Coach Aying Esteban.
Tamaan mo lang. Papunta pa lang sa'yo, hinahatak mo lang kami. Paano mo marireceive yun? Kung wala kang kumpiyansa sa kamay mo, didigpas mo lang muna. Hindi naman malakas yung serve na nag-hesitate ka lang na kunin yung bola. I-trust mo yung skills mo para makuha mo na makuha. Kaya mo naman ng per set ba't hindi mo magawa ngayon? Kaya yan, huwag mo
Coach Aying reminding the girls na kailangan naka-pwesto sila sa first ball sa reception dahil naka 2 consecutive service aces na nga itong si Estrelier.
Nag-hesitate, ayaw mag-first move.
Dapat angkinin mo na pag ganun. Pag ikaw yung tinarget sa akin,
Angkinin
angkinin
mo
mo na. Ako na bahala dito.
Yan. So pop up here by Roxy. Frian going for that loaded hit. Yen Martin, Estrelier, papunta kay Tapang.
Nagtinginan. Sayang. Nandun na sila eh.
And Lea Tapang with her 3rd point in this set. Kargadong palo.
The spark plug for Letran Lady Knights.
Estrelier again on the service area. Free ball here. Back set kay Nitura. Good save there by Ong. Garcia popped up by Estrelier. Silva underhand setup job. Tapang not over.
Masyadong malayo actually yung panggagalingan ng bola. Kung isa-soft tip niya lang. Siguro kung ang bibilisan niya sa zone 6, sa donut hole.
Gusto ko yun, yung donut hole. Merienda.
donut.
Yung donut hole siya. Hindi yung buong donut.
Yung hulang na.
But for my blood sugar. So back set here by Estrelier. Tapang, sinubukan na naman. At hindi tayo magdududa kung gaano katapang si Lea Tapang on that hit. Challenging 2 blockers rather, and 5 points all on the second set. And don't look now.
I think Coach Hammer, pagdating ni Lea Tapang sa loob ng court, parang nadala niya rin yung mga kasama niya eh.
Oo, yung dugong letranista
Oo.
talaga na, di tayo papatalo, laban
Totoo.
tayo. Laban. So free ball papunta rito ngayon sa koponan ng Mapua. Tingnan natin anong gagawin dito ni Trixie. Activating Frian. Going for the quick on the middle kay Nicole Ong. Sarado pa rin. Rica Blanca. Return to sender. Free ball. Martin. Good pop-up by Roxy. Frian. Long rally we're seeing. Nitura. Kontra Chempong Palo. Rica Blanca getting it up. Estrelier. Back set. Nitura again. Ando dun pa rin ang depensa. Back set from the back line. Roxy de la Cruz on the attack. Good defense shown by both squads.
Ooh, another long rally. Pero ang Lady Knights ang nakakuha ng puntos dito.
Tabla na tayo dito.
Nakahabol na.
Oo, ang layo nito. Ang layo nung hinahabol dito ng koponan ng Letran, and 8-2, tinamaan yung net natin. Medyo nawalan ng reception ng bahagya. Puntos, mapupunta sa Letran. Tabla tayo. 8-2 run for the Lady Knights. Lea Tapang on the serve. Oh, miss reception. May alas.
Another poor reception by Lady Cardinals.
Para may extra liberong tumatakbo dito sa gilid natin.
Pinoprotektahan
Oo,
lang.
tingnan natin kung nakita yun dun sa replay. O matatakbuhin na ni Derek Elmon. Eh, kita mo, may extra pa to. Hindi pa rin nahamon. Ganda ng service dito. At saka ang ganda ng pagpasok dito ni Coach O kay Lea. Siya siya yung naging ano dito, difference maker in the second set.
Umaalog na rin yung pasa ng Mapua dito.
But an answer here, much needed point.
Yes.
Courtesy of Nicole Ong. Kailangan nila yun.
Serving for the boys, that's Versus.
So Versus on the serve.
Sila naman.
Sila naman.
Kami naman ang mag-serve ngayon. Let's see kung malilipat ba ang momentum dito.
And Nadine getting a service ace on her first entry. Had extended playing time in their win against JRU. Almost played the whole of the third set. Talking about Nadine Versus.
Wow! What an attack by Rica Blanca!
And that brings us to our second technical timeout. Again, on her comfortable spot, going on that attack down the line. Magbabalik po ang inyong women's volleyball tournament.
People's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa...
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya.
Muli magandang umaga mga kapuso na nakatutok sa atin. Ito ang inyong Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Of course, our chairman of the tournament, Sir Frank Grusi of the Perpetual Health System Delta Altas, longtime member of the NCAA Management Committee. So on the service area ngayon is Nads Versus. So on the quick is Nicole Ong right there. Popped up. Medyo may tulong ng net. Dire-diretso sa outside.
That was outside.
Sabi sa'yo single gear.
Hinahanap lagi si Tapa.
And Sir Melchor Divina of Mapua University, their Mancom representative. Also here, enjoying the action. At puntahan natin ang timeout dito ni Coach O.
May quicker mo, spacing! Di ba, Natalie, kailangan mo maging matalino sa paglalaro Basta gusto mo lang siyang bigyan, bibigyan mo na lang, hindi nga tinawag. Pangalawa, spacing! Saan yung advantage mo? Nandito yung isa, space mo lang dito. Ask for one. Dito, sa one ang receive. O, dito ako magbubugay ng bola. Expect. Alam mo kasi kung nasan yung advantage
Coach Hammer yung sinasabi nga ni Coach O dito. Yung setter, siya rin talaga yung magdadala sa team nyo. Siya yung driver, kumbaga. Kaya nga, nire-remind ni Coach na tawagin mo yung middle blocker
Pwedeng
mo.
aeronautical engineer kasi spacing eh.
Oo nga.
Spacing eh. Kailangan daw nila ng proper spacing and talking about spacing, not enough space on that sideline for Roxy. Pasok ha, pasok. Pasok na pasok. Pasok na pasok.
Kaya sabi ko,
Yan, okay. Pag may thumbs up ako galing sa'yo, okay yan. Pasok yan. So serving here is Royce De La Cruz for the Lady Knights, who is trailing right now. 15 serving 17. Gohol going for that quick. Not over yung attack. Attack error. Point goes to the Lady Knights.
I think medyo mababa yung set doon ni Gohol kay Nicole Ong. Walang enough lutang, kumbaga yung bola.
Elevation, no? Para bounce ball. Kita mo, ang tangkad din kasi ni Nicole Ong. Tsaka
Mataas
mahaba.
din yung reach niya eh.
Mahaba yung reach. Mataas. Good for, not a good first ball right there. Pero nagawan pa rin ang paraan with that one-hand set.
Good adjustment by Nicole Ong. Kahit babatalanganin ulit yung set, tinapon niya lang sa dulo kasi doon walang nakaabang na defender.
At saka middle blocker yung nasa likod eh.
Yes.
Hindi sanay halos. Hindi naman natin sasabihin hindi kaya. Pero
Excuse me?
Hindi
Joke.
sanay. Yeah. Pero mahirap yun eh, no? If you're used to playing in the front side. So, very konting-konti lang. Kaya yung mga nagpo-pro, yun yung mga nakaka-cover on the backside din
Actually,
talaga.
ang usual spot kasi ni middle blocker sa defense, nasa left side kami. Pero dito kay Coach O, nasa sweeper, nasa gitna.
Which is harder.
Medyo mas
Harder.
mahirap siya.
At nilalagay dyan sa sweeper, yung mga, yun,
Outside
babalik ko,
strikers.
Micah Go.
Yes,
Doon
oo.
siya nag-MVP dahil ang taas ng percentage niya doing that sweeper role. Kumbaga clean up, pangalawang libero. Parang ganun. Martin getting roofed here by the defense of Rica Blanca and Babs Babiera.
Coach Hammer, pansin ko lang na si Mapua ngayon yung mas maraming nakukuha na kill blocks compared kay Letran ngayon. And knowing na yung advantage din ng Letran Lady Knights, yung blocking din nila. Hindi nila na gagamit at this time.
Totoo, pasok na pasok dun sa mga numero natin dahil nag-iiwan ng ebidensya ang paglalaro. Number 1 blocking team dito, ang Mapua Lady Cardinals in our tournament. Double contact on Angge Ledesma. So, Mapua straight here. A couple of points giving them enough breathing room here in our second set. So, it's 21 serving 16. No trash talking daw, pinaalala lang na ating officials here. Tsaka gusto ko yung reaction ni Trixie, ating ate Parang, naman Ganyan yung reaction niya na pa-stomp Naman moms, hindi natin kailangan yan. Di ba? Kasi may warning na sila kanina. Oh no, it's Letran with a yellow card warning.
Pero kasi mali mo naman, hindi yung nagbibigay sa kanila ng confidence boost.
Definitely. Galing sa'yo, galing sa team mo, mananiniwala ako dyan. So here on the attack naman, Nitura.
Sinubukang i-place lang placement shot lang sana, pero hindi gumana.
Check there. Roxy De La Cruz going for the cross court. Popped up. Estrellero on the back set. Lakas Nitura on the attack. Rica Blanca. Underhand setup again. Free ball para rito sa Mapua. Trixie to Roxy. Too long on that attack. Attack error.
Alam mo, Coach Hammer, gusto ko na hinahanap lagi ni Gohol si Rica Blanca kahit na out of system play. Kahit yung bola papunta na sa opposite side, kay Rica Blanca ko pa din ibibigay.
Ang taas ng percentages.
Yes.
Dahil hindi pa rin nakaka-adjust dito yung depensa ng Letran. Unang-una, hindi sila ganun kalakas dumepensa on the net. Pero again, she's a left-handed hitter. So yung momentum, sanay sila nagsusweep papunta sa kaliwa.
Yes.
So papunta sa kanan yung palo. And on a check here, As Roxy De La Cruz giving them their 23rd point of the set. Back set, getting it enough truth. Kasi ang laking advantage yun, no, if you have a left-handed opposite hitter. Nabate.
Nabate. Sana sa Jigs ulit.
Okay na eh.
Hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung adjustment ng Lady Knights dito kay Rica Blanca.
Trixie going out, number 18, Hannah de Guzman in.
So Hannah de Guzman checks back in along with Dean Versus and Princess Manarang are in the game. And Versus giving up an ace here for Almirante.
Pwede kayang medyo nagiging complacent ng Mapua Lady Cardinals dito, lalo na kapag medyo malayo yung score, Coach Hammer.
Pwede, pero depende. Siyempre, kasi nagbalasa din ng tao dito, si Coach Aying, yung medyo mga bagets na pinasok, along with their veteran na si Babs Babiera. So again, double contact here on the Versus. Pero, siyempre, as a coach, you want your players to get meaningful reps. Baga, trial and under fire na agad eh.
Bakit hindi mo sinabi agad na kukunin mo? Kailangan pa ba magbanggaan sa receive? Ang travel ng bola galing doon sa dulong-dulo. Pagdating dito, magbabanggaan tayo. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo organized doon sa receive. Eh, kailangan lang naman magsalita na magsalita para alam natin kung sino kukuha. Huwag na natin padikitin. Huwag na natin. Dalawa na lang kinukuha natin. Ha?
Dalawa na lang!
Lady Cardinal!
Viva Mapua!
Pwede naman magsalita. Pwede mag-communicate para hindi nagkakabanggaan. So yun yung paalala ni Coach Aying. Tama, anger, ko, translator eh. Translate mo eh. Communicate dahil yun nga yung pass sequence, nagkabanggaan yung setter at saka itong si Versus. So Almirante on the service area. Very successful here. Had one ace and 2 points total added to their score. And she's there. Manipis na cut shot para dito kay Hannah de Guzman. Goes out of bounds. So point goes to the Lady Knights. 3 straight points here for the Lady Knights.
Ayan na, binalik na ulit ang starter sa Sigohol at Rica Blanca.
3 sunod na puntos yun.
Hindi sila pwede magbigay ng easy points like that.
Nakapit-bahay mo yan eh. Isang kalye lang yung pagitan ng dalawang school na yan eh. Walang bigayan dyan, tsaka NC eh.
Totoo.
So for the cross court was Roxy, Naapula, Tapang. Better reception here by Versus. Digging it up once again. It was Versus. Free ball for Letran. Tapang. Net touch.
Medyo nanggigil si Tapang. Doon nakita ko yung approach niya. Very explosive, pero hindi niya masyadong na-control.
Oh, yung palo. Again, ball control. Sabi nga ni Coach Roger, ball control. Ball control. That was season 98. Yung mga snippets ni Coach Roger Gurayan. Which we'll be playing later. Going up against the Perpetual Altas. And a drop ball here by Leia Tapang.
Mabilis din siyang nakakabawi actually. Yung early part ng second set natin na kahit nag-error siya, after naman bigyan mo siya ulit ng isa pang set, nakakapuntos na siya agad.
Binibining next play. Pwede, no? Kasi panay next play siya eh. Wala siya pakialam. Lalaro lang siya ng lalaro.
Yes.
Isa pa.
Ooh, good dig.
Good dig by Roxy. Rica Blanca going for the back line. Mitura. Tapang. Roxy from the backside. Good up. Buhay pa rito ang bola. Free ball for Mapua. Trying to take care of business here in the second set. Versus.
Ooh, merong net touch. Sayang.
So second set, goes to the Lady Cardinals via the score of 25 to 22. Set highlights and stats when we return. This is still your NCAA.